Introduce highlight features or overview summary of VQQEFF OBD2 scanner, Bluetooth car diagnostic tool with 2026 AI assistant. There are features include AL mechanic in your pocket, no more Google searching, ask what's wrong, how urgent, what will it cost, in plain English. Our built-in AL plus 200K plus database explains complex P, U, B, C codes like a pro. Provides 4 system read/clear for engine, ECU, transmission, TCM, ABS, and SRS/airbag. Pay once, own forever, 0 subscription fees, full Inno OBD plus app access plus lifetime firmware updates included. No monthly fees, no yearly renewals, and no locked features. No account registration required, and your personal data is never sold. Exactly what you'd expect from a tool that's supposed to save you money. Bluetooth 5.1 rock-solid iOS and Android connection, offers 2x faster data throughput and extended range versus old Bluetooth 4.0 with 0 dropouts mid-scan. Auto pairs instantly to iPhone and Android. Includes I/M smog readiness and Mode 8 EVAP tests so you pass your state inspection the first time. Live data graphs and one-tap shop reports, monitor real-time RPM, coolant temp, O2 sensors, fuel trim, and battery voltage with visual curves, not just dead numbers. Export a professional PDF diagnostic report in one tap to send to your mechanic, keeping them honest before the hood even opens. GMSWCAN and broad 1996 plus US vehicle coverage, works on 44 major brands, Mazda, Toyota, Honda, Ford, BMW, Mercedes, and more. A dedicated SWCAN chip unlocks deep GM diagnostics, Chevy, Buick, Cadillac, GMC, that generic scanners completely miss. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.